Hey nerds! Today, the host is talking about a new shot in the eye that's helping people with diabetic macular edema, or DME. It's called Faricimab, and a recent Japanese study shows it really works. First, the host explains, what is DME? It's swelling in the center of the retina, the back of your eye, caused by diabetes. This swelling blurs vision and, if left untreated, can lead to permanent vision loss, called E-DMJ. The host continues, doctors often use injections called anti-VEGF to stop leaking blood vessels. Faricimab is the newest of these injections. It blocks two troublemakers, VEGF and Ang-2, so it can calm swelling even better, according to Wikipedia. In a PLOS One study, researchers gave Faricimab eye injections to 18 patients, affecting 22 eyes, between July 2022 and July 2023 at Juntendo University in Japan. The host explains that patients were split into two groups. The first group was treatment-naïve, meaning they had never had Faricimab before, consisting of 15 eyes. The second group was switched, meaning they had tried other drugs first, consisting of 7 eyes. Researchers looked at two things: vision clarity measured by logmar, where lower is better, and macular thickness measured in microns, where a thinner layer means less swelling. The host reports, in the naive group, vision improved from about 0.24 to 0.16 logmar, a clear measurable gain, with a p-value of 0.01. In the switched group, vision stayed roughly the same, changing from 0.14 to 0.08 logmar, which was not statistically significant. Both groups' swelling dropped. In the naive group, macular thickness reduced from 507 microns to 359 microns, with a p-value of 0.002. In the switched group, it dropped from 414 microns to 341 microns, with a p-value of 0.04. This means most eyes became less swollen and saw better after Faricimab treatment, according to the PLOS study. The host reminds us that while this is great news, it was a small and short study, only 22 eyes and about 1 month of follow-up. More research over longer times will confirm how long the benefits last and how safe it is for everyone. For the take-home message, the host says that Faricimab is a promising new shot that cuts retinal swelling and can improve vision in people with DME. They encourage viewers to talk to their eye doctor to see if it's right for them. Finally, the host asks if you found this helpful, to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for more simple science updates from Nerd. They end with a reminder to stay curious and stay healthy.